Hey guys, how's it going? I'm gonna show you what I'm doing with my Pi project, which is a offline camera, which is saved directly to a USB. Now you can choose to have it as a network instead of a USB, which would be a cloud online. But this is offline because it's more secure, and it can be used for an ATM, for example, because offline is really important for security at a bank. So it would keep people from stealing those files remotely. You can only do it also, the tabs on this Motion Eye thing are general settings, which general settings is how you create user and password, which makes it to where only you can log into it if you know that user and password. There is also file storage. Now it's really important that you have it as custom path because it is not going to work if you use any of the other storage capacities. And root directory, you have to have it with the directory that your USB is under, which mine is a ESD USB to 2019.05.02. Shows the disk usage, which is 4 gigabytes. You can upload media files. You can run a command as well whenever you upload those files. Video streaming. You can have it go to a website once it's done recording. Movies, movie file name, which would be the one that is right there as movies 4, so you can identify which videos that have been recorded. Movie format should be AVI because it works the best on most computers that I've tested my videos on. Continuous recording or motion detection, those are the two options for recording mode. The maximum movie length is 120. It doesn't have to be that though, but that's what I put it as. You can put it at any maximum that you want it for, and you can preserve movies for however long you want to. You can have it for forever, or you can have it for just a couple of days or a month or so. And I'll show you guys videos or video files that I have saved in my USB that were previous ones. These are the two movie files that I have saved there. I'm not going to show those because that'll take up too much time. This is a ribbon cable. This is what you use to connect your Pi to your camera to your Pi to your camera. USB hub, so you can save your files to USB. This adapter is for my camera, or not camera, keyboard and mouse, as well as you'll need power cable and the USB adapter to make the USB hub work, HDMI adapter, and this is my waterproof case, which is used to hold the Pi in there for protection, so to speak. And one thing to keep in mind when you're assembling this is to make sure that the black ribbon is faced up when you are connecting it, because if you don't, it will ruin the cable and you will not be able to use that cable for any of the other stuff. Now you can also have a microphone that could be attached to this, and that could be another thing that you assemble to your camera to make it work for certain scenarios, as well as you could This also has night vision on it as well, which you can use for when it's nighttime hours. You can still be able to see a person's face if they were shown up on a recording. And this thing can also take pictures, which can also be set off by motion detection, which is good for making sure that if someone's walking by who shouldn't have been in that area, you get a good picture of their face. And in my files also, there was some JPEGs. Load here. Actually, it's right here, so I'm gonna put it up. Yep, JPEGs, which are also there, which those were used in my very first test of the camera, and they only went off when detection went off, and that took place at 10:26 a.m. and 10:51 a.m. I'm also going to leave down in the description below the website that tells you how to install MotionEye through the command line of Linux, as well as the command to activate the camera. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and like in the description below.